Managing lists allow you to view, create, delete, import, rename, and merge lists, as well as add and remove subscribers from lists. View all lists allow you to remove and add subscribers as well as download backups of lists. To view all lists, click on View All Lists from BannerMailer dashboard. A list of all your mailing lists will appear. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home. To download a backup of a list, click on View All Lists from BannerMailer dashboard. Click on Download Backup. This will download the file to your computer. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home. To remove subscribers from a list, click on View All Lists from BannerMailer dashboard. Click on Remove under Subscriber Options and click Unsubscribe. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home from the BannerMailer dashboard. Click on Unsubscribe from all lists. Enter in the email address and click Unsubscribe. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home. To add a subscriber to a list, click on View All Lists. Click on Add under Subscriber Options. Enter in the first name, last name, and email address, and choose which list you would like to add them to. Click Add Email when finished. You can continue to add more subscribers one by one or click the red X to close the box. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home. Create New List allows you to create a new list to which you can then add subscribers. To create a new list, click on Create New List from the BannerMailer dashboard. Give the list a name. Click Create List. Click the red X to close the box. This will now have created you a new list where you can either add subscribers one by one or import the list. See Import List to learn more. To delete a list, click on Delete List from the BannerMailer Home. Choose which list you would like to delete and click Delete List. Click the red X to close the box. Import Lists allows you to import subscribers from a CSV file into a list. All email lists must be in CSV or tab delimited format to be imported. If you are using a spreadsheet, you will need to save the list as a CSV file or tab delimited prior to this step. Click Import List from the BannerMailer dashboard. Choose which list you would like to import the email addresses to. Click Choose File to choose the file from your computer. Choose if the file type is a CSV or a tab delimited. Next to duplicate records, choose whether you would like to ignore or update duplicate records. Next to unsubscribed records, choose whether you would like to ignore or import and update unsubscribed records. Click Import List. On the next page, you'll want to match the fields in your spreadsheet to the field located on the left-hand side. When finished, click Import List. It will give you an overview of the valid and invalid records, as well as duplicate records and how many total imported records there were. Click on BannerMailer Home to return to the BannerMailer dashboard. Rename Lists allows you to rename an existing list to something different. To rename a list, click on Rename List from the BannerMailer dashboard. Choose which list you would like to rename. Type in the new name of the list and click Rename List. Click the red X to close the box. Merged lists allows you to merge existing lists into one. To merge a list, click on Merge Lists from the BannerMailer dashboard. Choose which list you would like to copy. Choose which list you would like to add the copies of those emails to, and click Process. Click the red X to close the box. Both lists will still remain. Add Subscriber allows you to add a single email address to a list. To add a subscriber, click on Add Subscriber from BannerMailer dashboard. Enter in the first name if available. Enter in the last name if available, and enter in the email address which is required. Choose which list you would like to add the email address to and click Add Email. Click the red X to close the box. View Unsubscribed allows you to view all subscribers who have unsubscribed from the list or were removed due to an invalid email address. Click on View Unsubscribed from the BannerMailer dashboard to view. A list of unsubscribed users will appear. Click on Export Unsubscribed if you would like to export a list of all the unsubscribed members. To return to the BannerMailer dashboard, click on BannerMailer Home.